Producer. I've always been fascinated by this word producer. I don't know if you noticed, but at the end of movies, there's a long list of people whose names are listed. It just looks like hundreds of people sometimes, names are listed. So it starts to make sense when these movies cost millions of dollars. It must be all these people they're paying. And the ones who get their names the largest are the producers. Executive producer, managing producer, produced with this, in partnership with this producer, etc. You know what I'm talking about? So I always wondered, well, who are these people and what are they doing? I understand a director tells people where to stand, what to say, kind of guides them. Screenwriters translate books into the movie, casting people. I get all that, but what do producers do? So I figured out in this show, and you might be interested in this, what I think producers do. The very first thing producers can participate in at least, is come up with an idea, a concept, a point of view on a topic, and a way of approaching it. And ideas are critically important. Ideas are more important than almost anything, because out of them flow objects, shapes, conversations, activities, etc. So producers are involved in that. But secondly, producers raise money. They raise a lot of money. And sometimes they bring money. In fact, just kind of behind the scenes, when you go to movies and you see people's names, some of those producers' names are there simply because they put money in and did nothing else. Sometimes when you're watching I found this out, when you're watching the Oscars, these guys get on stage called producers, and really they had nothing to do with the movie at all except they put in millions of dollars. And so they got to stand on stage. And you say, well, that's kind of lame, but the people who did the movie said, thank you. Be a producer. I don't care, because what are they doing? They're producing, right? It's like food or gas. They're like putting money in this thing, which is critically important. But then the third thing a producer does is actually delivers the idea. This is where you bring the team together. You find the people to get it done. You get the equipment. You get all that stuff comes together, all the machinery, because ideas are great, but delivering ideas is a greater thing. There are a lot of ideas, bad ideas, that get to market every day because somebody delivered them. But to get good ideas to market, you have to have a delivery system. And so you have to have people that are talented. You have to have people who know how to run cameras. You have to have people that know how to get sound balance. You have to have people who know how to get lighting balance, so that you, the customer, who is now very sophisticated, are not distracted by lame production values and that type of thing. And then the final thing producers have to do is sell tickets. That's why I'm doing this blog, because I want you to buy a ticket to Stories from the Shack on May 8th in Seattle, or whatever city we happen to be coming to. And I want you to bring your wife or your mother, and I want you to bring your kids. And if you're a pastor, I want you to bring your church. And I want you to buy a ticket, and I want you to go to Stories from the Shack and do that right now. Thanks so much.